Good morning, this is Ross again, out here at a job site in Byron Center. Again, not too far from our HQ. Look at this beautiful lake behind me here. Woo. Nice spot. We're out here doing another install. I'm actually with Dustin again, coincidentally. So let's take a look at what we got going on. Okay, so we're looking down the length of the deck here, so I really want to try to show you guys. It's almost hard to see on camera just how great this looks. All these watertight panels here connected. Dustin, is this white or is this champagne?
Champagne.
So this is champagne. Then our system stops here and it breaks off into another section where there's a covered porch above that, so no water can get through. So that's already covered with just regular soffit. Okay guys, so that's this project. It's looking pretty good. As per usual, we will show you some after photos when the whole thing is done. So that's it. What's Dustin doing? Go ahead, buddy. Chop it. All right.